Imagine a microscopic world teeming with invisible threats. Bacteria, viruses, and other invaders constantly try to breach our body's defenses. Luckily, we have a powerful ally, the immune system. It's a complex network of cells and proteins that work tirelessly to keep us healthy. Among these defenders, antibodies stand out as the elite force, the special ops of our inner world. Antibodies are specialized proteins. They patrol our bloodstream and tissues, always on the lookout for foreign invaders. These invaders, known as antigens, can be anything from a virus to a bacteria or even a simple protein from a harmless peanut. Their presence triggers our immune system to spring into action, deploying antibodies to eliminate the threat. Antibodies are incredibly precise in their actions. Each antibody is designed to recognize and bind to a specific antigen, like a key fitting into a lock. This specificity is crucial for the immune system's efficiency, allowing it to target only the harmful invaders without attacking the body's own cells. Antibodies are the immune system's guided missiles. They have two primary tasks: binding to antigens and neutralizing or marking them for destruction. Think of it like a two-pronged attack. First, they disarm the enemy, and then they call in reinforcements to finish the job. The first line of defense is neutralization. Antibodies can physically block a virus or bacteria from infecting cells. Imagine a swarm of antibodies surrounding a virus, preventing it from latching onto healthy cells. This neutralization process is crucial in the early stages of infection, preventing the invader from multiplying and spreading. But antibodies don't stop there. They also act as tags, marking the invaders for destruction by other immune cells. Imagine an antibody attaching itself to a bacterium, like a bright red flag signaling danger to the immune system's cleanup crew. This tagging system ensures that the invaders are efficiently eliminated. Antibodies are remarkably versatile in their ability to neutralize and tag invaders. They can block viruses from entering cells, prevent bacteria from attaching to tissues, and even clump pathogens together, making them easier targets for destruction. This versatility stems from their unique structure, a marvel of biological engineering. The binding and tagging functions of antibodies are essential for a robust immune response. Without these abilities, our immune system would be like an army fighting blindfolded, unable to effectively target and eliminate threats. Antibodies provide the crucial link between recognizing an invader and mounting a coordinated attack. Imagine a microscopic battle raging within your body. Antibodies are on the front lines, binding to invaders and marking them for destruction. Their ability to neutralize and tag is crucial for keeping us healthy and protected from the constant onslaught of microscopic threats. Antibodies may seem like simple proteins, but their structure is remarkably complex and elegant. They resemble the letter Y, with two arms extending from a central stalk. This unique shape is critical for their dual function of binding and tagging. The two arms of the Y are called the Fab regions, short for fragment antigen binding. These regions are highly variable, allowing antibodies to recognize and bind to an enormous range of antigens. Think of them as the antibody's hands, each one tailored to grasp a specific target. The stem of the Y is called the Fc region, short for fragment crystallizable. This region is much less variable and serves as a docking site for other immune cells. Imagine it as the antibody's tail, signaling to other immune cells that an invader has been captured. The Fab region is what makes each antibody unique. It's formed by a combination of different amino acid sequences, the building blocks of proteins. These sequences can vary greatly, creating a vast repertoire of antibodies, each capable of recognizing a specific antigen. This variability is crucial for the immune system's ability to combat a wide range of threats. Imagine for a moment a library filled with billions of books, each with a unique story. The Fab region is like the book's title, allowing the immune system to quickly identify and target the correct invader. The incredible diversity of the Fab region ensures that our immune system is prepared to face almost any challenge. Whether it's a common cold virus or a rare bacterial infection, there's likely an antibody within Fab region that can bind to it and initiate an immune response. Once an antibody binds to an antigen via its Fab region, the Fc region comes into play. This region acts like a beacon, signaling to other immune cells that an invader has been captured. Think of it as a distress call, alerting the immune system's heavy hitters to join the fight. Different types of immune cells have receptors that recognize and bind to specific Fc regions. When an antibody binds to an invader, its Fc region changes shape, exposing binding sites for these receptors. This interaction triggers a cascade of events, leading to the destruction of the invader. The Fc region's ability to recruit other immune cells is crucial for clearing infections. It ensures that the immune response is swift and targeted, preventing the invader from gaining a foothold and causing widespread damage. The human body can produce an astonishing diversity of antibodies, estimated to be in the billions. This vast repertoire is generated through a complex process involving gene rearrangement and mutation, ensuring that we have antibodies capable of recognizing virtually any foreign substance. This diversity is crucial for our survival. We encounter countless antigens throughout our lives, from the food we eat to the air we breathe. Without a diverse antibody repertoire, our immune system would be constantly overwhelmed, leaving us vulnerable to infections. The diversity of antibodies is a testament to the power of evolution. It's a remarkable example of how our bodies have developed intricate mechanisms to adapt and thrive in a world teeming with microscopic threats. Section 8. Antibodies in action neutralizing viral threats. Viruses are masters of disguise, constantly evolving to evade our immune system. They rely on invading host cells and hijacking their machinery to replicate and spread. Antibodies play a critical role in preventing this hostile takeover. Neutralizing antibodies can bind to specific proteins on the surface of a virus, preventing it from attaching to and entering host cells. Imagine a security guard blocking the entrance to a building, preventing unauthorized individuals from getting in. This neutralization process is particularly important for viruses that spread rapidly, such as the flu or measles. By preventing viral entry into cells, neutralizing antibodies can effectively halt the infection in its tracks. Section 9. Antibodies and phagocytosis, a powerful partnership. Phagocytosis is the process by which certain immune cells engulf and destroy invaders. Think of them as the garbage collectors of the immune system, patrolling our bodies and removing anything that doesn't belong. Antibodies enhance phagocytosis by acting as eat-me signals. When antibodies bind to an invader, their Fc regions are exposed, attracting phagocytes to the site. The phagocyte then engulfs the invader, trapping it inside a compartment where it's broken down and destroyed. This partnership between antibodies and phagocytes is a highly effective way of eliminating invaders. Antibodies provide the targeting system, while phagocytes provide the brute force, working together to keep our bodies free from infection. Section 10. The importance of antibodies, guardians of health. Antibodies are essential for a healthy immune system. They provide a first line of defense against infections, neutralizing invaders and marking them for destruction. Their ability to adapt and recognize a vast array of antigens makes them a formidable weapon against disease. Without antibodies, we would be highly susceptible to infections. Our bodies would be constantly under attack, unable to effectively fight off even the most common illnesses. Antibodies are the unsung heroes of our immune system, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep us healthy. Appreciating the role of antibodies is crucial for understanding the complexity and elegance of our immune system. These tiny proteins are a testament to the power of biological evolution, providing us with a sophisticated defense system against the constant threat of disease. Section 11. Appreciating the unsung heroes of immunity. In the grand scheme of our bodies, antibodies might seem like minuscule components, but their impact on our health is immeasurable. They are the sentinels that guard our bodies, constantly patrolling for invaders and ensuring our survival. Next time you feel a cold coming on, remember the billions of antibodies working tirelessly to fight off the invading virus. They are the unsung heroes of our immune system, deserving of our appreciation and respect. Understanding their crucial role is a step towards appreciating the wonders of our own biology.